Tired of spending hours every week on the same repetitive tasks in Telegram ads? TG Focus takes care of that routine for you. Just copy your entire channel list and paste it in one go. Ad titles will fill in automatically. The extension pulls them straight from the channel links. Forget manually creating dozens of campaigns. The split option does it for you. One channel, one ad. Reports are just as easy. Pick any time period, hit the button, and in a few seconds, your CSV with all the stats is ready. That's 2-3 hours of boring routine gone every week. Simple and effective. Try TG Focus for free. Link in the description. Also available in the Chrome Web Store.